Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to check if your REALME C71 is blacklisted. Okay, so first we are on the IMEI.info page. You can see the link right in here. And now we need to type the IMEI number of our device in this bar. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all checking options on this site, and also in that video I'm showing how to find the IMEI number on your REALME C71 step by step, so if you want you can look for it. So once you have typed your IMEI number, you need to click on check IMEI. Now we have our device. Let's scroll down a little bit. In here you can also read some basic information about your device, but let's scroll down a little bit more until we find the basic checks. And the second option from the top is Blacklist Simple Check. So we want to click on that, and let's click on Check Blacklist Status. Okay, now the site is processing our order, so we need to wait. And now we have our result, so our device is clean. Below, we can also see the date on which the report was created at, confirmation that device is clean, and we can also order the Blacklist Premium Check. If you click on that and scroll down, you can make an order for $5. Time needed for this action is from 10 seconds to 10 minutes. And below, you can also see a comparison how it will look like when the phone is blacklisted and how it will look like when it's clean. So you can take a look. Also, if you click on read more about Blacklist Premium Check and scroll down, here on the left side, you can read about the advantages of using the premium version of the check. So, if your device is clean, the result contains model number and manufacturer. If your device is blacklisted, the result contains many details such as model, manufacturer, blacklisted by, blacklisted country, and blacklisted on. All results in premium service contains PDF certificate, which you can share. The result is saved on your IMEI.info account history. You can download PDF certificate anytime. The result is fast, accurate, and detailed. So these are the advantages of using the premium version of the Blacklist check. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.